Hello, lovely people. Based virtual data room software, the complete guide. Today's topic and a virtual data room is also known as virtual deal room and online data room. Is an online platform for security, storing, sharing, and collaborating on documents. While there are virtually unlimited ways to use data room. The most common cases included M&A corporate, the due diligence, portfolio management, and real estate. When it comes to the devices, they work on a digital room can be available for desktop computers, mobile devices, or both. Some virtual data rooms are available on different operating systems while others work on only one. And it is important note that online data room providers usually offer their clients different services plans, and that there is often at least one plan that allows admin users to create multiple secure data rooms. This is crucial for businesses that are working on multiple projects simultaneously, since they can have a separate data room per project. So virtual data room technologies are confidently taking over the deal making scene across the globe, and some users find value to the enhanced security combined with the convenience and online collaborations. Others seek a specific tool. So in recent years, the tendency towards digitalizing work process gained unprecedented momentum. So companies across all industries found unique benefits in remote collaborations and decision making. So virtual data room providers played a crucial role in global shift as they address the most crucial concern for online document sharing. Security sensitive data leaks can have catastrophic repercussions, especially for high stake transactions, which are the main focus of a digital data room and its users. This is why the possibility of using a secure data room repository has been a game changer for remote work. So in recent years, the tendency towards digitalizing work process gained unprecedented momentum. Companies across all industries found unique benefits in remote collaboration in decision making. Virtual data room provides plays a crucial role in the global shift as they address the most crucial concern for online document and sharing security. Data leaks have catastrophic repercussions, especially for high transactions, which are the main focus on data room and the users. Goodbye.